If you're tired of sweating through the summer but don't want the hassle of installing a window AC, this portable air conditioner might be exactly what you need. I've spent some time checking out the BLACK+DECKER BPACT08WT, and here's whether it's actually worth buying in 2026. This is a 3-in-1 portable unit that works as an air conditioner, fan, and dehumidifier. It's rated at 9,000 BTU ASHRAE or 5,300 BTU SACC, making it suitable for rooms up to around 400 square feet under ideal conditions. It also includes a window installation kit, caster wheels, and a Follow Me remote that measures the temperature near the remote instead of the AC itself for more accurate cooling. Setup is straightforward. Attach the exhaust hose, install the window kit, plug it in, and you're ready to go. The digital control panel is simple, and the included remote makes adjusting settings easy from across the room. In everyday use, the cooling performance is solid for bedrooms, apartments, home offices, or small living rooms. It lowers room temperature quickly, especially if the room is well insulated. The built-in dehumidifier is also helpful during humid summer days, making the room feel much more comfortable. One feature I really like is the 24-hour timer and sleep mode. You can set it to cool before bedtime and automatically adjust overnight to save energy. The washable air filter is another nice touch since maintenance is simple and inexpensive. Of course, it's not perfect. Like most single-hose portable air conditioners, it isn't as efficient as a dual-hose model, especially in larger rooms. It also produces noticeable compressor noise while cooling, so if you're extremely sensitive to sound, you'll hear it running. Independent testing found it easy to install and move, but cooling performance is best in smaller spaces rather than at the upper end of its advertised room size. Overall, the pros include easy installation, portable design, 3 operating modes, Follow Me remote control, washable filter, sleep mode, and effective cooling for small to medium rooms. The downsides are the typical portable AC noise, single hose efficiency limitations, and reduced performance in very large or open spaces. Who should buy it? Apartment renters, students, homeowners needing supplemental cooling, or anyone without central AC. Who should skip it? If you are trying to cool a very large living area or want the highest possible efficiency, a dual hose or window AC may be a better choice. Overall, this BLACK+DECKER portable air conditioner remains a dependable option that balances convenience, cooling performance, and ease of use. If you want to check today's price, click the Amazon affiliate link in the description below.